Hi friends, warm greetings from Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Diwali is nearing and this is the time to make traditional sweets at home, and that would make this festival of lights a delicious and a cheerful one. Today I'm going to make a very easy and delicious sweet Moong Dal Laddu, which you can make in just 15 minutes, and there's no hassles of making sugar syrup, and most importantly these laddus can be stored up to 10 days in room temperature, and hence you can make this ahead of the festival and enjoy your colorful day. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the moong dal laddus, I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. Now take a pan, thick bottom pan, and roast these lentils over a very slow flame till they give out the aroma and they turn golden brown in color. It's not exactly dark brown, it should be golden color. Now after 5 minutes of roasting them, add some cardamoms. I'm not going to add the husk or the skin, I'm going to just add the seeds. I'm not going to add the entire cardamom pods. And roasting them along with these lentils would bring out the aroma from the cardamoms, and that's why I'm roasting along with these lentils. And now you can see they are getting roasted and they have slowly changed the color. Now remove them on a plate and let them cool in room temperature because we're going to grind them. Let them cool completely. Now take half a cup of sugar, which is 100 grams, and grind them to a fine powder and keep it aside. Now we are going to grind the roasted and cooled lentils, and we're going to grind it to a fine powder, and it's done. Keep it aside. Now the ground powder is ready and also the ground sugar is also ready. Now take a mixing bowl and mix these two together. The sugar and the lentil powder. Mix well thoroughly and add a pinch of salt to it. Adding salt will surely enhance the taste of the sweet, so please add it. Just a pinch will do. Now mix thoroughly, and to this add 1/3 cup of ghee. This ghee is in room temperature now. We have to heat this ghee and add it to the mixture. Now heat the ghee until it turns warm. Never overheat the ghee. It should be melted and it should be warm, and don't overheat it. And add the ghee to the powdered lentils and sugar. Add little by little in batches and mix well. Don't add everything at a stretch. The entire ghee should not be added at the stretch. Now still the powder is dry, and so add some more ghee and mix thoroughly. Now try making balls out of this mixture by pressing them tightly. Now you can see that I'm unable to bring them into shape, and they crumble when I try to shape them to make the laddus. So add the rest of the ghee to the mixture and mix again, because that was not the proper consistency. So let's add more ghee. Now you can see that the powder slowly gets transformed to dough like texture. So the mixture will be more or less like the texture of roti dough, but smoother than that. Smooth but not that gooey. So this is the perfect consistency. So let the dough rest for 1 hour in room temperature before we could make laddus. Now after 1 hour, you can make balls out of them. If you're not able to shape them perfectly, you can rest the dough in room temperature for about 2 hours also, and you can make the balls. Now I'm placing some fried cashews on top of the laddus. Now these laddus will turn firm the next day, but they will never become hard. You can get about 12 to 13 laddus with this quantity of moong dal, just 1 cup. You can store them in an airtight container for up to 10 days in room temperature. You can see that the laddus are soft and firm and not like halwa, which means we have added the right quantity of ghee to the mixture. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Please try this recipe and let me know your valuable feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please enable the bell icon so that you won't miss out my new uploads. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.